The mystery of the Heartbreaker, Unveiling the Meaning. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of English expressions. Get ready to unlock the meaning behind the phrase, heartbreaker, and understand its use in everyday conversation. A heartbreaker often refers to a person, typically thought to be very attractive, who is capable of attracting and, unfortunately, sometimes causing emotional pain to others by ending a romantic relationship or leading someone on. It's not just about physical attraction. It also involves the emotional impact one might have on another's feelings. The term heartbreaker has a literal and figurative side. Literally, it suggests that someone's heart can be broken or hurt. Figuratively, it speaks to the deep emotional pain felt after a particularly hard end to a romantic affair. Understanding the history of this phrase helps in grasping its emotional weight. Pop culture is rife with references to heartbreakers, from hit songs to movie titles. These references help to solidify the term in our vocabulary and often reflect the bittersweet nature of romantic relationships. They also show how widespread the understanding of this term is across different mediums and audiences. Let's put theory into practice. We'll explore how to use heartbreaker in several sentences, ensuring you can confidently incorporate this phrase into your English conversations and writing. And that's a wrap on Heartbreaker. I hope this journey has been as insightful for you as it was enjoyable for me. Remember, language is the key to connecting with others, and every phrase you learn opens up a new world of communication. Until next time, keep breaking new language barriers, not hearts.